Hello everyone, today we will talk about the basic principles of PGA governor. Please look at this picture. This is the basic schematic diagram of PGA. This is the speed setting mechanism. It uses the air source as the main control system. This is the speed setting unit. And then change its speed and position through the air source, which leads to the hydraulic oil entering or exiting the speed setting piston. And here is its speed reduction mechanism, which are the PSG governor basic actuators. We can divide it into 3 parts. Now we are going to talk about the basic principles. The governor part's working principle. When the speed setting piston set a given pressure and keep it steady, the speed setting spring is compressed. It changes the speed spring stoke because we change the distance between the speed setting piston and flyweight. So the speed setting piston spring compressed stoke is different, which changes the speed setting value. Then the drive shaft comes out and directly drives the rotating sleeve, which this part will drives the oil pump. The oil pump provide the system with hydraulic oil. When the oil pressure is too high, it will also release the oil pressure through pressure relief automatically. Then when the hydraulic oil comes here, then through the compensation plunger or piston, to act on the right side, which leads to power cylinder, rises or falls. It drives the throttle lever to move. When our speed is constant, the position of the control lever. In this position, it will block the oil enters. Suppose our current speed load. The load is relatively large. The speed decreases. The centrifugal force of the flywheel will decrease. Because under the action of spring force, the pilot valve will drop down. It opens the oil loop. It allows the hydraulic oil to enter the compensator. The compensation device will instantly push the compensation piston to the right, which leads to an instant change in the power cylinder, which increases the oil pressure in the power cylinder, which increases the throttle. Meanwhile, the hydraulic oil enters through the compensation valve, and it will enter here. There is a change in the position of the oil pressure, which will push the compensation rod upward. As the speed increases, the centrifugal force of the flyweight increases. Then the increase in the compensation rod is equal to the speed setting spring. When the pressure is equal, it will move upward again, and it close oil inlet passage. The engine will stabilize at new setting speed. Thanks for watching and see you next time.